Welcome everybody. Today's episode 205th episode. Sanskriti Kolkata, myself Lalia Dattagupta. It's an episode on hand embroidered katha which we all love and it's a pride of Bengal. First product, traditional Bangalore silk, traditional katha. All over embroidery in single thread. Single color thread has been used to do the work throughout the sari. The whole sari is done in geometric work with filled up work in the border to make it more prominent, and the whole sari is on run stitch katha. It's a beautiful sari, very simple design but looks very nice on wearing. This is a very traditional design in katha where the pallu and the border is with rich work and the body is in run stitch. Traditional katha in viridian green color, nice color combination also with a monotone thread color that has been used. It has a blouse piece. Please measure the sari 5.5 meters and then cut the blouse piece, because when there is all over work in the katha there is not much blouse piece left over, so it's probably around 50 to 60 centimeters. So you need to add a fabric, extra fabric if required. Else you can use the same fabric or mix and match with another contrast fabric which will give it a new dimension to the sari. So measure the sari 5.5 meters and then cut the blouse piece. So this is product number 1. This is a close up of the pallu. Just check the pallu work, all hand work and all done in pure silk, and also the few I will show you in pure tussar also. In kathas, we do not use any blended fabric. We all the fabrics that has been used are all pure Bangalore silk or pure Bishnupuri silk or pure tussar. So no mixed fabric has been used in this episode. All pure fabric is used because there's so much of work that is done by the karigar, so much of embroidery, the time takes the same. So just to reduce the cost, few thousand rupees, I would prefer, it's better to buy one good pure handwork sari rather than invest on the artificial ones. So this is another very rich color combination, maroon traditional katha again. White color thread has been used throughout the sari. Two-tone color, it's a rich maroon, deep maroon color. This is the pallu part. Even the border part is with rich thread work. Throughout work, here is the work in the body. Now let me show you, since I have just spotted one, there is some thread that is spread out. This fabric, this is not any defect. What happens, this is the edge, the frame, to make the stitch very neat and prominent, they need to do frame like we used to do in the SUPW classes, remember, in school. So they have to put the frame there in the edges to keep it tightened, to keep the fabric tightened, to do a very neat embroidery. So then what happens, the thread, the fabric spreads a bit. So that is not at all a defect, it's part of the whole work procedure that is done. This is the blouse piece. So don't think that is any defect, that's why nothing will happen to that. That is prominent in Bangalore silk. In tussar it doesn't show actually, but it is there also. This is the pallu part, product number 2. Now coming to product number 3. Again, this is again Bangalore silk in a dark navy color shade, and the thread is done in yellow color, 8990, product number 3. Diagonal katha, poddo katha. This is also a very common term that is used. It's a very in demand design, lotus katha. Throughout work diagonal, the pallu part is full of embroidery, and then from your yoke part comes a diagonal design which diminishes as the length goes. So the upper part will be full of work and then it will become like what I am wearing almost. The border, blouse piece border, and this is fully in navy Bangalore silk. See the color combination, beautiful navy and yellow color combination with rich thread work all over in diagonal design. Again, I'll show you closely how neat the finishing is, how neat the work is, and how well the every motif is filled with thread work without any gap. This is where the intricacy of the work lies. All hand-picked, selected products that I show in YouTube, the best of the lot that I receive. So you have to prior book these. Once I confirm you that the product is available, I will give you the business account bank details. You make the payment, we courier it to you. The courier charges are applicable for all shipments. It depends on the weight and the destination where the products need to be shipped. A two-tone Bishnupuri silk, pure silk katha work in paisley, royal peacock blue two-tone color, very rich color combination with thread of white and grey color. Two color threads have been used. Here comes the rich lovely pallu. Lovely embroidery, especially the lower border part. It's a beautiful work, and here comes the blouse piece border. So here is the border. You can also do, like I'm wearing an ikat grey color. It's very, you can get it in most of the blouse piece stores, or even we also have, I think, I have to check. So you can make the body in the ikat and use this fabric in the sleeves for the sleeve part. So it will be a grey and blue color combination. Even if you use a solid color grey silk and then add the border, it will also look very pretty. A white chicken blouse will also look pretty in this. We must give credit to all my karigars who work so hard, and every episode there is some new design or the other which they create to make it more attractive, so that you can I know you love my episodes. There's lots of views in few hours in these episodes, but I would love if you can please comment, you can share, subscribe to the channel so that it reaches to more customers, more people who are sari lovers, who love ethnic wear, who loves Indian traditional work. So this is a lovely another Bishnupuri silk. It's all 3D Bishnupuri silk. 3D, I mean to say the it's heavy quality, thick quality. The three yarns have been used to give a very thick, good silk. So this is, and very comfortable also. It has a beautiful shine and a good fall. So this is again a diagonal wine color katha in pure Bishnupuri silk with this blouse piece border and the back. This is the back, and here will be your two side blouse piece border. See the work. That's why I always am blessed to have such skilled karigars and craftsmen, weavers in my team, so that you can get every time some new designs, very neat work, intricate finish, and the concept. You should stand out. People should ask from where you bought this sari, and there there I get my advertising. That is where whispering campaign, I would say. This is a pretty 3D katha, 8990. The prices are all same because thankfully the GST has not increased. The prices are all same as before. 3D katha, though the fabric price has definitely increased, but since these were previously purchased fabrics and previously done work because it takes almost 3 to 6 months to do a katha. So you're getting it in the old prices, but once I get the new stock which I've purchased recently, will be slightly higher than what we are selling it today. Lovely 3D katha. It's a woven pure silk with work in panel design. The upper and lower part is full work. See the embroidery. It's in Varli katha, folk katha embroidery in the upper and lower border. The center panel is left as it is. The color is beautiful. Royal blue, purple, two-tone. This is the blouse piece. The sleeves and the back will all have the border. It looks really unique on wearing, very pretty on draping. Pallu. So it has a lovely multicolor pallu with a 3D body panel design. See properly the work, all the work I'm showing you closely so that you can understand how well the work has been done. Okay, let me show you the back part also. See the back part. See the finish. Another lovely number 7898600. Okay, that's because the upper panel doesn't have much work. It has a sleek border and the lower panel is beautiful. Coral and lavender color combination. Coral and lavender, it's a soft color combination with again lovely pallu, multicolored stripes. So I'll drape it for you. Each sari I'm draping it so that you can understand how it looks, the fall, the feel. Here is the blouse piece border. It will be in green like that of the pallu. Everything is handwork. Pretty, isn't it? We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. It's near the Citizen Park, and the other branch is near the Baliganj railway station, 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. It's near Baliganj railway station, and there's the car park in front of the store. Sundays we are closed, and Monday to Saturday we are open every day from 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. Regular uploads are done in Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. The link is already provided. All these still pictures will be uploaded in exclusive Katha album. There will be numerous photo albums in the Facebook page for you to browse through, you to check if you want the still pictures of the products that I'm showing you today. Like this is another panel design, 3 panel design work. See the color combination. It's chandan color with red and black. White thread, single color thread has been used, very rich embroidery. So as I was telling, we have the branches are closed on Sundays, but bookings are taken. Whenever I'm online, I do take the bookings of your orders. This is the blouse piece for the sari. Tailoring unit is there in both the branch. Only the menswear section is in the Cornfield Road branch. We have the men's kurtas, the ethnic wear, which you can check out our Facebook page. Album menswear collection, and if you want the blouses to be stitched, after payment we will connect you to the tailoring section, where you can do a video call or a WhatsApp calling and decide on the designs and the details. My staffs will be readily helping you with the designs and your measurements. This is the pallu part. But all these needs to be pre-booked because these are Katha handwork and only single piece. More collection definitely is available in the store, but to get this particular product, exactly same, you need to prior book it. 8800 for product number 8. Now coming to product number 9. At present we have some lovely Katha dupattas also. I thought of showing you in this episode, but there are good stock, so maybe I'll do another solo episode on dupattas. So this is another diagonal tie and dye silk Katha, pure silk, and there comes the diagonal work with all over jal work, embroidery, all hand work. See the tie and dye in Firoza and royal blue. 88009, number 9. This is also Bishnupuri silk. I have so many customers who has more than 50 to 55 kathas and they still love katha so much. Actually, there is so much of variety that we try to show, so it's very difficult to resist, I understand. But it's great that, again, I would thank my team to do such lovely exquisite embroidery in these fabrics, taking so long, and the work, the finishing is very important, which I always stress on. This is a tie and dye Bishnupuri silk Katha. Number 10. All designer Katha stitch sarees. See the work, the color combination in mustard. So much of work, all over embroidery, but all same price, all same rate. We are giving our maximum range is Katha is within 10,900. With so much of work and pure fabric, still we've kept the price so reasonable, because again, I'm blessed to have very good Karigar team who is does very good work in spite of this range that we are setting for you. See the work and the design, the embroidery, and all in pure silk. This is Bangalore silk, and here comes the blouse piece with this, with work. And see the pallu, so much of embroidery. 8800 only. Yes, I would add only. With the amount of work and the finish, it's 8800 in pure Bangalore silk only. Before I hop on to the next number, let me describe you what the one that I am wearing. It's also another Bishnupuri silk Katha. It's a tie and dye in pink and grey. Pink and grey colored diagonal Katha. See the amount of work that has been done. It's a very soft color combination, ideal for day and evening. Silver and pearl will look more better than gold with this. This is the work. See here you can understand the tie and dye part. Diagonal pink and grey dyed with work. Here comes the blouse piece, which will have this embroidery. The moonstone bracelet that I am wearing is 1250 rupees. 1250 is for the moonstone bracelet. It's adjustable. See, it's going so well with this sari with silver, and this moonstone goes well with a lot of saris actually, even with westerns. And the neck piece that I am wearing is 1450 rupees with pearl setting and Tanjore painted this uncut, abstract uncut marble. Tanjore painting. 1450 rupees is for the neck piece. Okay, and my sari price, okay, I forgot to tell you my sari price. My sari price is rupees 9,500. 9,500 is for the sari that I am wearing. It's in Bishnupuri silk, tie and dye, all over Katha diagonal design. 1450 is for the neck piece, and the bracelet is 1250 rupees. So hopping on to the next number 11. Panel Katha once again. Pretty shade of rust. The upper part is orangish rust, yellow, and then a Dudhe Alta red color. Ideal for brides who want to wear it for Gai Holud or for giving it for Totto as a bridal, in the trays and all, because it doesn't have any black in it. Those who wants to avoid black for giving during the weddings. This is the pallu part. Beautiful, very fresh, refreshing color combination, thread work all in white, handwork Katha in panel design. Here comes the blouse piece with this. It will have this border, Dudhe Alta red with the border, and this is the lovely sari design, see. Very pretty, isn't it? Is the work clear? Okay. Now the next one, number 12. Bangalore silk again, bird Katha, Pakhi Katha, which we say. 8800 product number 12. Such beautiful bird design in purplish magenta tone, diagonal work, blouse piece, very pretty work, and it's also the color again without black sari. Bishnupuri silk 3D. You all were asking me a lot about Bishnupuri silk since the episode I had worn a similar color. This is 8900. See the amount of work and such pretty blue mauve dual tone color in this. Very pretty color. Pallu, lovely embroidery, heavy quality Bishnupuri silk with the sleek narrow border, and here is the sari for you. See once again the work. Every piece I am showing you closely, every piece. 14. Tie and dye again, diagonal, yellow and black with multicolor threads. Very bright color combination. Golden yellow with black paisley throughout work. And see the upper border, it's also very smart border since the lower part is full of embroidery. The upper border is sleek with a contrast black color blouse piece. Here you go. The whole concept, the whole look of the sari, yellow and black. Whichever you like, just take the screenshot of the product. Please kindly give me options. It will be very helpful, because in case you like 3 pieces in this episode, suppose 1, 14 and 18. So suppose one is of first choice, you will get it if it's available. Otherwise, you can always go for the 14 and 18 one. So give me options, it will be helpful. Even you can also tell me your first preferences. Of course, whichever is available, you can book that if you like. And once you make the payment, we'll courier it to you in 2 to 3 working days, cash on delivery, only in Kolkata. Outside Kolkata, via courier. Internationally, we are shipping regularly. The more you buy, the less you pay for shipping. Very pretty color combination in grey and rust color. Again, without any black color thread, all over border. We'll have the upper part with temple border, lower part with lovely paisley embroidery, broad border, Mahapar border in the lower part. Upper part will have the very smart temple border, rich thread work pallu in dyed rust, 8900. Vishnupuri silk. Here comes the temple border rust blouse piece. All over buta. I have many to show you. This is number 16, so I'll be quick. Fish design in bottle green, Bangalore silk, very interesting embroidery. Green and mustard, always a favorite combination, and the beautiful uncommon work throughout the sari. This is the blouse piece border. Pretty, isn't it? I'll show you once again this work. This is very nice embroidery. Black and red, number 17, 9500. What a beauty. Poddo Katha again. 9500, black and red. It's actually not red, I'm sorry, I just was focusing on the pallu part. It's maroon, it's not red, sorry, it's maroon. Lovely embroidery. So full body till here you will have the work. Okay, so your body part will be full of embroidery, and from your hip part comes this dye part. The dye color in maroon. This is again Vishnupuri silk. With a black blouse piece with border work. So from your body part, from your first pleat, the dye part will come. Okay. Poddo Katha again in batik. Wow. But this is a very interesting crack batik with loads of multicolored embroidery in shades of brown and green. See the work, amount of work. It's a diagonal crack batik in Bishnupuri Shonamukhi silk, 3D quality. $9,200 9,200 for this crack batik katha. See the work. Closely I will show you. So from here, diagonally, the batik will increase. It's a shade of dark coffee color. Very heavy quality silk, I can hold and say. This is the blouse piece part, the border with the crack batik. Very smart looking sari. Fish katha again, 9,200. So the body part will have folk katha, Warli katha in the body part. The pleat will be in stripe katha. So it's a arrangement sari without any join. Then comes the solid part again. So this is the low. See, so when you, the first part will be in solid maroon color with the Warli katha. The pleat will be in stripe katha. The body again comes the maroon one with the border with the full work and contrast black pallu. So stripe pleats, body maroon, pallu black, blouse piece black. It's a lovely designer sari look in our loved katha. Again, this is a Bangalore silk. Coming to tussar, tie and dye tussar, pallu, body. See the amount of work. This exquisite embroidery with so much of work, 9,500 only, 9,500. Last episode, I myself had worn a dyed katha and had shown quite a few. None of them are available. Previous episode kathas all sold out, so select from the new ones. This is the blouse piece with this black color blouse, and here comes the multicolored dyed katha. Only 9,500. Desi tussar, all over work. See the colors. $21. These will be all dyed katha, okay? So just take the screenshot if interested. This will be again in the body with that one, the pleats, from the pleats there was panel. Here from the body it will be panel, dyed, multicolored dyed, and see the work. Lovely pallu, 9,500 for this too, pure tussar, tie and dye katha with a fusion of geometric and floral. And here comes the blouse piece, royal blue. This is a very elegant sari, very elegant one. Desi tussar, rust combination pallu. The body is a very unique shade of yellow, lemonish lime. It's a beautiful uncommon shade, and see all over, leaf design all over the sari. Very interesting. And from after your pleats, the whole pleats will be full of work, and then from your pleats comes the shading part. This will be from later, from the tuck-in part. So this will have the shaded. Can you see the shading? Is the shading clear? Okay. With contrast rust blouse piece, a very elegant, very interesting design, totally new. And also the color combination. Our love for Katha is evergreen. Few more in these elegant beauties. Now I was showing you silk tie and dye, now coming to tussar tie and dye. See how well the dye is. It's not that it's done regular dyeing. See the beautiful clamp dyeing that has been done along with the edges and the corners, and the body will have the figure embroidery katha, olive green pallu. I'll definitely drape this, even though it takes time. I'll drape this because it's a very interesting color combination, and the dyeing is very uncommon. Lovely dye. This is the pallu blouse piece part. Will have the border, and see how smart the dye is. Once again, the work for you. $24. Just check out the dyes that my karigars have done. I'm sure you would appreciate. See the color combination and how well the dye is. Everywhere, every corner, the look should be there, starting from the fabric. We first start from the fabric and then the dye, and then of course the work and the design. So overall, see the look, the whole get up of the sari. So decent and so elegant. Big pallu with so much of work. Coffee and mustard color combination. The whole, everywhere there is A+. The dye, the work, the color, the concept, the design, the fabric, the finish. This is the blouse piece. Another lovely, beautiful, another. I must thank my karigars again and again. It's totally their credit. Warli Katha Pallu, village design, border Pallu Warli folk design with, see again the dye, the color combination, all Desi tussar, very good quality Desi tussar with shading of yellow and coffee. Lemon work. See the work, embroidery, work, Warli with coffee blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Now see the color combination. Amidst all the chaos, you will find some form of relief and happiness when you see these lovely handmade beauties. Now coming to a very traditional color combination, Desi Tussar, bird katha all over, in red and white, all over thread work, bird katha, achol. If you want, I can add a red border and tassels, 300 rupees extra. I think it will look nice if you add a red border or a black, but probably red will look better. Of course, red border and tassel, 300 we can charge for that. If you want, it will have to give us some time. This is the blouse piece. You can wear a red silk blouse also. It will really look nice. Even for the Bengali New Year coming and for any formal occasion, this will be a very pretty color combination sari. My dear doll, I will not forget you. Here is a Bishnupuri silk, another interesting design in paisley. See the amount of work. It's upper part again tie and dye, lower part will be again panel katha with pallu with rich embroidery. Just take the screenshot if you are interested and WhatsApp to any one of the number. Once the payment is done, kindly send your name, address and telephone number in one format. The telephone number of the place that needs to be shipped. This is the lower part and this is the body pallu. The price of this is 9,500. 9,500 for this. See the work in the prominent, very prominent exclusive tie and dye Bishnupuri silk katha. We have these ready-made blouse pieces or blouses also, which is available in store in common colors like yellow, red, green, black, gold and silver. These kind of ready-made blouses are also available, and this sari is 9,500, this particular piece katha. Now coming to Ganesh katha, the pallu part will have Ganesh ji katha Ganpati in thread work with elephant Airavat motif in the border. Desi Tussar, exquisite embroidery. The pallu part will have Ganpati, so well and neat and so prominent work. 3 Ganpati in the pallu, 10,500. There was somebody who I was waiting for months for Ganpati from the last time I was showing you. I hope if you are watching the video, if you can please message me if you are watching the video. You had messaged me even few months back also, in a few, I think, weeks back. This is the border and the blouse piece. So you were meticulously reminding me about Ganpati ji, but apologies, I just can't remember who was wanting the name. I've just forgot, but I remember you have been inquiring quite a lot, many times for this. Anyway, so this is another Desi Tussar. Another lovely Tussar katha, very different, chunky, bold floral design. Very smart design with only border pallu concept. Wear it with a contrast lemon color or a light orange color blouse with this silk blouse. It's a very unique, different sari. This is the pallu, 10,500, 10,500. Very smart, very unique. with the blouse piece. This will be the whole sari will have only border. This is the blouse piece. So if you can have a lemon color blouse with this border in the sleeves, beautiful, look very rich. Even this same blouse, sari blouse will also look very nice, very interesting piece. Another red color thread work sari, cherry booty. This booty is called the cherry booty. Geometric, rich, prominent, very intricate work, broad border in both the side. Again, if you want, you can add a border in this. See the amount of lovely buttas. Blouse piece. Achol. Gorgeous, rich pallu. Another gorgeous tie and dye. Since tie and dye was so much in demand, many of you could not grab one. So this is a beautiful tie and dye, last piece, number 30. It's just got, yeah. Very pretty one. And the blouse piece is the red with the mustard border. This is the blouse piece. Once again, the whole sari for you. So that's it for today, and thank you so much for taking out your time and watching my episode till the end. Thank you so much. Myself, Lalia Dattagupta, Sanskriti, Kolkata.